Hey guys, Lucky Aces. What you should be watching right now is a video of my first thoughts and first experience riding my hard-tailed Honda Shadow 750. Because if you guys didn't notice, I put some hard struts on it lately, and I haven't been able to get out and ride it because it's wintertime. Well, today it was actually 60 Fahrenheit, and this, my GoPro Hero 10, decided, this guy right here, right there, decided it did not want to save any of the 30 minutes and 57 seconds of video it recorded. It took a second when I hit the record button to stop, and got home, there's like 10 seconds on there. Hot dog. Perfect. Which kind of sucks, because GoPros aren't cheap. What is cheap is this little 4K action camera. This little bugger, I paid like $70 for 2.5 years ago, and that's actually what I started the channel with. Like, if you go back and watch the old school Lucky Aces videos, that's the camera I used. Honestly, if the bit rate didn't stink, I'd probably still be using it. It's just really frustrating, though, you know, because this is not the first time I've had an issue with this camera, okay? The problem is I'm kind of invested in it. I got the long-range batteries. I got the media mod. It's kind of like a whole little package. And that's been my main camera for, gosh, over a year now. And the frustrating thing about it is I just hate losing all that footage. Because now, if I go out and re-record at an unknown time, because I have no clue when it's going to be warm enough to do it again, at least not comfortably, it's not going to be an authentic experience. It's not going to be my first thoughts. It's going to be, I'm going to have to pretend. And I don't like being fake on the channel. One thing I like to do is I like to be myself. I don't want to be like, hey guys, welcome to the internet. We're going to do a video. We got 6 of these people. We put them on a boat and gave one of them a ham sandwich. The others have nothing. Who gets to eat lunch today? Or something. I don't know. I try to be authentic, and I think that really, you guys deserve that anyway. I mean, I'm not going to, rambling too much. Anyway, I'm really, this is mostly just a I'm frustrated kind of video because I wanted to get something out to you anyway. So yeah, that sucks. So we might be looking at a new camera because I don't know if I trust this thing. I mean, I got to worry about it. I got to worry about it getting hot, and now when it's 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit outside, now I got to worry about it just not recording for whatever reason. It's the same batteries I've used all the time, the same SD card I use all the time. I didn't do anything different. The only difference is the Shadow was hard-tailed. But if this thing's mounted on my helmet and I'm acting like a big old bobblehead, it shouldn't really matter. So, I don't know. I got to think on it a bit. I've been kind of eyeballing those new, the DJI Osmo 5, only because you can record 2 wireless channels, which would be cool, because then I could do like my voice audio, and then I could do like the bike exhaust. The problem is, the camera plus the mic setup ain't exactly cheap, okay? I mean, if I don't need to spend the money, I don't want to spend the money. But I also want to keep this YouTube train rolling. I mean, I've also thought about the Insta, I guess it's the RS, I guess? I don't know. I think Tim with me and my Shadow uses it. I know Moto Alley uses the DJI, the Osmo. I think he's using the 4. Might be the 3. I don't know. I know I can get a good deal on the 4, but that dual channel audio really sounds interesting, and it kind of sounds like I made my mind up. So, I'm frustrated with GoPro, and I got to figure out what I want to do with this thing. So, I can either throw it in the trash. I could give it the Tannerite treatment. If you guys don't know what that is, look that up. Or I could sell it on eBay. But last time I sold a camera on eBay, it ended up costing me about $700. And if you haven't heard that story yet, then check this video out right here. So, as always, y'all be good. See ya.